Come play a game of imagination. So hungry right now, we should go hunting, yeah. Turn every block into creation, yeah. Oh, you are my glowstone in the darkest cave. Got me feeling the urge to play. Make me wanna slaughter every zombie bravely, bravely. Enchanted diamond gear, how you put it on. Gotta rest alert, know how to turn it on. The way you take away my fear so all the mobs will disappear. Just be careful so we can survive long. Oh, we need to kill the sheeps for some wool, so that we can make a bed and go to sleep. But we can't if there are monsters nearby. Oh yeah, yeah, start the furnace with some coal and fuel, so we can cook the mutton from the sheep. If we don't eat, then we're gonna die. You're a hero, hitting anyone like a PvP pro, knocking any mob with a single blow, making every shot with a power 5 bow. You're a hero, picking up the loot of a freshly dead foe, dodging every potion that the witches will throw, killing the dragon and the wither solo. I wanna travel the world in every single biome, digging into secret mine shafts, trading goods with new villagers. Emeralds, emeralds, baby. Stomping on the crops the villagers worked hard to grow. Fighting temples in the deserts and monuments in the oceans. Be careful when your health is super low, and if so then you gotta know to eat a golden apple and flee from the sin. You gotta go run away from creepers before they go boom boom, run away from TNT before it goes boom boom. If the place is too dangerous then we cannot stay. Run away, you gotta go and make a getaway. Don't go your own path or else you're gonna go astray. Listen to me if you wanna live to see another day. Potato, potato, plant them with your own hoe. Flint is found in gravel, dig it with a shovel. Exploring savannas, you can find acacia, reds and terracotta in the vast mesa.